going to talk about the grade 6, chapter 2, use the computer laboratory safely. So, any idea what is a computer lab? In most of the schools, you may have a computer lab. So, it will have lot of valuable resources. There we will find computers and other devices like printers, scanners, multimedia projectors. Let's use the computer laboratory correctly. For your safety, should be aware of the exit doors of the computer lab. Be careful when you touch devices such as wires and sockets that are connected to electricity. Should be aware of the fire extinguishers. Avoid running and playing inside the computer lab. For the safety of the devices, don't touch wires and switches, it may be risky for you. The laboratory and all the equipment should be kept clean and dust-free. All the equipment must be switched off properly after use. Remember to remove your shoes before entering the computer room. Don't bring eatables or water bottles in the computer lab. Virus scanning should be done when connecting external storage devices such as flash drives to the computer. Don't shake or push the computer table, it is risky for the computer. Don't press the keys very hard. In addition to that, sit straight on the chair. Keep silence when you are in the computer lab. We must practice to operate the computer correctly from our childhood. Now, let's operate the computer. Switch on the main power supply button. Next, switch on the UPS button. Then, to switch on the computer, press the power button of CPU. We will get the welcome screen of the computer. Let's know about how to shut down the computer correctly. Click on the Start button. Click on the Power button. After clicking on Power button, we will get the following options: Sleep, Shut down and Restart. Click on Shut down. It will automatically shut down the computer. Switch off the UPS and main power supply button. Good practices help to lead a good life. There is a set of ethics that should be followed to use the computer properly. They are identified as computer ethics. Let's know about what are the code of ethics when we use the computer laboratory. We must use computers without disturbing others. We must avoid hacking computer activities of others. We must refrain from accessing computer files and articles of others without permission. We must not repair any computer devices without proper instructions. We must not access the internet without the supervision of the teacher. We should not uninstall or change or delete any programs without the permission of the teacher. It is common various health problems to occur when using computers constantly. Most of the illness occur due to the lack of maintaining a correct posture. So, we need to practice maintaining a correct posture from our childhood. Correct postures when using computers. Always keep the computer screen at the level of your eyes or little below. The distance between your eyes and the computer screen should be between 18th and 28th inches. Sit straight by leaning on the back of the chair. Keep your legs vertically and place your feet on the ground. Keep the keyboard and the mouse at the level of your elbow. In addition to that, adjust the brightness and the contrast of the computer screen to suit your eye. Often give a rest to your eye if you are working on your computer for a long period of time, although an incorrect posture can cause health issues. Pain in the eyes, problems in eyesight, and tearful eyes can occur. Pain in neck and backbone, strain in feet, pain in fingers and elbows. Therefore, we must use the computer properly to avoid such problems. Let's know about electronic waste. All computer hardware is considered as electronic waste when they become out of use or discards. When we dispose these tools improperly to the environment, it can cause great damage to the environment. The burning of e-waste leads to the release of harmful gases like chromium, beryllium, PVC, lead, mercury. It can cause brain damages, DNA damages, lung cancers, and kidney damages. Since these hazards can cause damages for generations, they must be disposed properly. For that, the 3R system can be used. 3R means reduce, recycle, and reuse. Reduce. It is not necessary to upgrade to new equipment periodically if we maintain existing equipment properly as to use them for a long time. This reduces the amount of waste that is released to the environment. Reuse. When purchasing new equipment, consider donating or selling the old equipment if they are in working condition without discarding them. Recycle. Equipment which are not repairable or reusable should be recycled without discarding them. It should be handed over to an electronic waste recycle company. Recycling is a process of transforming the waste to a new product. Waste is separated into small parts and new material is produced through machinery. Okay children, let's see how to use passwords to protect the computers. To protect the information stored in the computer from outsiders, a secret word can be set in the computer. That is known as a password. Then you must enter the password before entering the computer. If the password is incorrect, the computer does not allow you to enter. Let's see what are the guidelines of setting the password. When setting the password, we must avoid kids or pets' names, birthdays, addresses, phone numbers, social security numbers, common words. The password must be a collection of letters, numbers, symbols. It should have a minimum of 8 characters. I hope you have gained some insight into this lesson. Then we will meet again in another lesson. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.